Hello everyone, welcome to Tector.com. In this lecture we will understand very basic topic which is determinant. So determinant is basically the representation of, consider we have AB minus CD, something like this. Okay, so this we can represent in form of some symbol like we call it delta equal to A and then C, and then here it will be D and here B. Okay, so this we can represent like this. Okay, this entire expression we can represent in a form of a symbol. This is called determinant. Okay, and these each symbols part of symbols basically is called element. Okay, so how do we solve the determinant? Reverse. Okay, so if the determinant is 2 cross 2, okay, and yes, one important thing about determinant is it will be always of square size. Okay, the number of rows will be equal to number of columns, means it will be a square. Okay, so here this determinant is of order 2. Okay, what is the order of determinant? Order equal to number of rows or number of columns. Okay, so this is the order of determinant. Okay, so determinant can also be solved like, for example, it is order 2 determinant. Consider a order 3 determinant: A, B, C, D, E, F, then G, H, I. Okay, so okay, well, so this one, fine. So how do we solve this? We solve it like, we take this one. Once we take this row, okay, we keep this. Once we take this element A, we keep this column and this row hidden, and then we apply, we consider this as a determinant. So this into this entire determinant like E, F, H, I. Okay, again this one B. So for second we take minus B, and then again we hide this and this. So remaining is D, F, G, I. Okay, and then again plus C, and then hide this. So it will be D, E, G, H. Okay, so I'm writing this number randomly A B C D E F G H, but it should be written as, like, the elements are written as A, I, J, which represents the element is from ith row and jth column. Okay, so now what do we want to understand is this point, why I'm writing here negative and here positive. Okay, so there should be some way always, right? Because once you get order 4 cross 4 determinant, I mean determinant of order 4, then how you will go? Okay, you have to proceed in same manner. You have to take a upper level of, I mean, one element first, I1 J1, uh, okay, and then you have to hide that row, and remaining 3 cross 3 determinant will be multiplied here, okay, with the first element. So same way you will proceed, but the important point is how do we write this sign here? Okay, so to write this sign, what do we do is, we consider like it is always a multiple. Everywhere you have to multiply minus 1 to the power I plus j. Okay, this will be multiplied everywhere. Okay, so here if you write minus 1 and I was 1 and j was 1, okay, for this element, so that's why the power is even, so it turned out to be plus. But here in this case, this was this was minus 1, but the this b is, if you see b is first row second column, so first row second column, so here minus 1 power is odd, that's why negative sign. So likewise you have to proceed solving the determinants. So I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, you can ask the question in doubt section. So thanks for watching.